I want to talk about this knife set that Imarku sent me to do a video on. First of all, what do you get right out of the box? You get some care instructions right there. And right here we have the knives. You can see right there it comes with the block. You get some steak knives as well. You see right there. You get a pair of kitchen shears. Really good looking. Right here you have a paring knife. Utility knife. Right here's a slicing knife. And all these are high carbon stainless steel, very sharp. We'll see that in a moment. Right here we have a serrated bread knife. Satuku knife. And lastly, the one I get the most use out of, usually the chef's knife. And they look fantastic, very ergonomic. You can see right here on the side of the block, there's also a little sharpening spot right there, so you can keep a nice edge on these. And I wanted to try them out for the first time, having pork chops tonight. So I wanted to slice them down, see how this knife handles it. And not surprised one bit, cuts through them like they're butter. Now, another great feature of these are dishwasher safe and rust resistant. So if you're looking for something you just throw in the dishwasher after you're done with dinner, this is going to be a great option for you. If you need a sharp knife set for your kitchen, click on the link in the description below.